When trying to buy tickets on Ticketmaster, you might encounter a frustrating error message that prevents you from accessing the ticket purchasing pages. This error has become increasingly common and can block you from getting the tickets you want. This specific error message reads, "A third-party browser plugin is preventing JavaScript," and it means that something in your browser is blocking Ticketmaster's essential JavaScript code from running properly. The culprits are usually browser extensions, small programs that add functionality to your web browser. Common extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, and security plugins can interfere with how websites work. Ticketmaster's website relies heavily on JavaScript for its core functionality. This includes real-time seat selection, dynamic pricing updates, queue management during high-demand sales, and anti-bot security measures. The problem occurs when browser extensions block or modify these JavaScript files. Ad blockers might see Ticketmaster's scripts as tracking code, privacy extensions may block analytics, and security tools might flag legitimate code as suspicious. This issue has become significantly more common in recent years, particularly from 2024 to 2025. Ticketmaster has enhanced their security measures and anti-bot systems, making them more sensitive to any browser modifications. The error primarily affects desktop users, with mobile app users experiencing fewer JavaScript-related problems. This is because mobile apps don't use browser extensions, while desktop browsers can have multiple extensions that interfere with website functionality. Understanding this error is the first step to solving it. The key insight is that browser extensions designed to protect your privacy and security can inadvertently prevent legitimate websites like Ticketmaster from functioning properly. The fastest way to fix the JavaScript error is to disable browser extensions that commonly interfere with Ticketmaster. Start by turning off ad blockers, privacy extensions, and VPN browser extensions. Next, check your browser settings to ensure JavaScript is enabled and Ticketmaster can use cookies. You'll also want to temporarily disable strict tracking protection, which can block essential scripts. If the error persists, try these alternative approaches. Use incognito or private browsing mode, switch to a different browser entirely, or clear your browser's cache and cookies to remove any conflicting data. For more advanced users, you can whitelist Ticketmaster domains in your extension settings rather than completely disabling them. Also, configure your antivirus software to allow Ticketmaster scripts and adjust firewall settings if necessary. To prevent future issues, maintain a dedicated browser profile specifically for ticket purchases. Keep your browser and extensions updated to the latest versions, and consider using mobile apps as your primary method for buying tickets since they experience fewer JavaScript conflicts. By following these steps systematically, you should be able to resolve the JavaScript error and successfully access Ticketmaster. Start with the quick fixes, then move to more advanced solutions if needed. Remember that prevention is key to avoiding future issues.